What's up, y'all? It's Olivia Nita back with another video, y'all. I hope everybody had a good Christmas. I hope everybody got everything they wanted for Christmas. I hope y'all had a good Christmas. I hope Christmas just went good for everybody. And also Merry Christmas to everybody out there and everybody that's watching this video, y'all. So y'all, this was my Christmas hairdo. So I had made a wig. I had got this closure and 3 bundles from the beauty supply house, y'all. So this is gonna be a affordable hairstyle, y'all. This hair only cost me about 60 bucks to do, and this look was freaking bomb, y'all. Like, I love this hair. Like, well, I love this style. I love the hair too. Like, for it to be beauty supply hair, it's really good, but I love this style. I got so many compliments off of it. So what I did, I just placed my closure onto my cap, and I just put my cap onto a dome head, or I had a mannequin head. Like, this is what I use to make all my wigs, and they always come out perfect, y'all. So if y'all have a mannequin head, like, that is fine. Like a foam head, that's fine. So I had just placed it on the cap where I wanted it, and I made sure everything was flat, y'all, like placing it. And I also I brought the closure hairline a little bit over the cap, so remember that too, y'all. And then I just sewed down the edges first. I said the edges. I sewed down the sides first, and then I sewed down the back. That's how y'all get a flat, like, y'all closure gonna be flat as, okay, it's gonna be flat, y'all, if y'all do it this way. Like, I always do my wigs this way, and they always come out flat. My wigs always come out perfect, y'all, every time I do my wigs this way. But this was a glue in. I just did a glue in on this hair because I was just being lazy. I was just like, I didn't want to sew it in. I was being lazy. So I just sewed my closure down, and then I started gluing the hair. And what I did was, I glued the track from each side all the way up into the closure until I got to a certain point. You'll see in the video. And then I just started gluing the hair in a different way, and then I started back gluing it to close to the closure, and then I closed it. Y'all gonna see in the video. It's kind of, probably you picturing me trying to explain it, it's kind of hard, but I promise you, y'all, this is easy as hell. Like, this stuff is easy, y'all. Like, I promise you, it's not rocket science. Like, it's easy. If I can do it, you can do it. It's easy. Y'all see how flat that is? Like, okay, I'm trying to tell y'all. That came out so flat. So as y'all can see, like, as I told y'all before in the beginning of the video, I did it all the way across, and I did that for a while, y'all. And let me tell y'all about these bundles, y'all. These bundles was freaking $9.99, and I got 12 inches. Yeah, I had got 12 inches, 3 of them, for $9.99, and my closure was like $28, $30. Y'all, like, that is cheap as hell, y'all. Like, this is the cheapest hair I ever bought, and made a wig out of it, and like made this look like this is a whole look, y'all, for $60, y'all. It came out to be like $50, $60. I'm gonna say $60. You know, you gotta add all the text and stuff. But y'all, like, so far so good. I love how this hair been holding a curl, like, cause I curled it. It does hold a curl really, really good throughout the whole day. My curls stayed up the whole day, y'all. Like, the whole time I've been having this hair, my curls have been staying up, y'all. I've been getting so many compliments, y'all. So, y'all, this is a cute, quick, easy hairstyle that y'all can do. It doesn't take a lot of money. It's affordable, and it's cute. Like, look at it. Like, if you don't think that hairstyle was cute, like, I don't know what the fuck you doing. I don't know what the fuck you looking at. I don't know what the fuck you talking about. Because this hairstyle was the bomb. So I'm just going to be gluing in the rest of my tracks, you guys. And I hope that you enjoyed this video, y'all. I'm just going to let y'all watch the rest of the video, y'all. Make sure y'all like and comment on this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, y'all. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, y'all. We is almost to we is almost to 1,000 subscribers, okay? Let me not get started, but subscribe to my video, y'all. Subscribe to my video, really. Subscribe to my channel, y'all. Like this video, comment on it. Tell me how y'all like the hairstyle, you know, all that, you know. If y'all try this hairstyle out, tag me in it so I can see how it came out, because I want to see. And I'm going to catch y'all in my next video, y'all.